Welcome to MCQs for Judiciary Exams program. Today's first question is, what is the purpose of a test identification parade? TIP. Option A, to examine the witness. Option B, to establish the identity of the accused. Option C, to collect evidence. Option D, to prove the innocence of the accused. The correct answer is option B, to establish the identity of the accused. Recently, in the Vinod alias Nasmullah versus the state of Chhattisgarh, the Supreme Court held that witnesses who identified the appellant in TIP were not examined during trial. The TIP had no evidentiary value. Test identification parade is one of the methods of establishing the identity of the accused, which is received under Section 9 of the Indian Evidence Act, 1872, or the IEA. Section 9 of the IEA deals with the facts necessary to explain or introduce relevant facts, now covered under Section 7 of Bhartiya Sakshya Adhiniyam, 2023, or the BSA. Second question is, who imposes the conditions for bail under Section 2B of the BNSS? Option A, the prosecutor. Option B, the victim. Option C, the defense attorney. Option D, the officer or court. The correct answer is option D, the officer or court. Recently, in the Vipin Kumar versus State of UP case, the Supreme Court held that filing of bail application, once an earlier bail application has been rejected, is a matter of right. Bail has been defined under Section 2B of the Bhartiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita 2023, or the BNSS. As per this section, a person is released on bail from the custody of law upon certain conditions imposed by an officer or court on execution by such person of a bond or bail bond. Third question is, what does Section 485 of BNSS deal with? Option A, bond of the accused and sureties. Option B, trial procedures for the accused. Option C, witness protection. Option D, confession of the accused. The correct answer is option A, bond of the accused and sureties. Section 485 of the Bhartiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita 2023, or the BNSS, provides for bond of accused and sureties. Fourth question is, what is the minimum reservation percentage for persons with benchmark disabilities in government establishments? Option A, 3%. Option B, 5%. Option C, 6%. Option D, 4%. The correct answer is option D, 4%. As per the Section 34 of the Rights of Persons with Disabilities Act 2016, every appropriate government must ensure a minimum 4% reservation of total vacancies in the cadre strength within each group of posts in government establishments for persons with benchmark disabilities. Last question is, interveners are option A, entitled to be impleaded. Option B, not entitled to be impleaded. Option C, a waste of time for the court. Option D, a burden for the plaintiff. The correct answer is option B, not entitled to be impleaded. Order 1 Rule 10, Sub Rule 2 of CPC. Interveners are not entitled to be impleaded. Now, it's time for practice question. In the execution of a decree for the maintenance, salary of a person can be attached to the extent of option A, 1/4. Option B, 1/3. Option C, 2/3. Option D, 1/2. Share your answers in the comment section. Thanks for watching.